Hello, I'm David Piper. If you wouldn't mind doing me a favor, and if you want to be notified of future videos, or if you've missed any of my previous videos, please be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is David Piper Realtor. So I'm here at my open house located at 2041 East Grand Avenue, unit number 38 in Escondido, California, 92027. I'll be here until 1 p.m. today before I go over to my other open house located at 6426 Caminito Listo in San Diego, California, 92111. I'll be there from 2 to 5 p.m. Now, about this home. This current asking price for this fantastic condo is only $375,000. This upper level and end unit home features 864 square feet, has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a 1-car garage. Having your own private garage is such a nice added bonus. This property also has some very nice upgrades completed as well. These include a really nice banquette here added in the kitchen, updated lighting, and blinds, among other upgrades to the bathroom. Also, take a look at this beautiful wood and stone flooring. Additionally, one of the things to consider when buying is location. Location, location, location. Here in Escondido, this property is within close proximity, driving proximity to Escondido, downtown Escondido, many great restaurants, as well as major freeways. This location is fantastic and centrally located. Come visit me at my open house today. If you would like more information about this particular property, please call or text me at area code 858-525-5007. If this property isn't quite what you're looking for, let me know and we can begin the process of finding the ideal home for you. But you need to call me first. As I mentioned in my other video, I also wanted to let you know that I will be bringing back a previous YouTube series that I created called Ask David. This series was educational and informative and dealt with the most common real estate questions that I typically receive. If you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you will be notified once I start that video series. So keep your eyes open for those notifications. As always, if you have any real estate related questions, please feel free to text or call me. Remember my real estate motto, which is, as an Ironman triathlete and marathon runner, I will go the extra mile for you.